Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. Okay, pupils, we meet again. Okay, we are still in the topic of division and today we will learn repeated subtraction and relate division with multiplication. Okay, as usual, okay, we go through multiplication chart. Okay, just to revise what we have learned before. Okay, refer to the multiplication chart. Okay, what is 4 times 3? Okay, 4 times 3. Okay, this is 4, this is 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, another example. Okay, what is 9 times 8? 9 times 8. Okay, so this is 9 and then find 8 here. Okay, this is 8. So 9 times 8 is 72. Now we go through what we are going to learn today. Okay, this is the example that we had learned yesterday. 18 pence. How many do we get when 18 is divided by 6? Okay, so 6 pence in the first group, another 6 pence in the second group, and then another 6 pence in the third group. So, how to write the number sentence? We start from the number of pence. 18 divided by 6 because there is 6 pence in each group equals 3 groups. So 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Okay, this is the method that we had learned yesterday. But today, okay, we are going to learn another method to divide these 18 pence. Okay, so we are going to use repeated subtraction. Okay, repeated subtraction. Okay, we are going to divide 18 by 6 by using repeated subtraction. So we are going to subtract the 18 pence. Okay. Okay, firstly we write 18 because there is 18 pence altogether. And then minus 6 because we are going to divide it by 6. So now 1 times 6. Okay, 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, put down 1. And then, okay, means here there is 12 pence left after we subtract it by 6. Subtract it with 6. Sorry. And then, so we have to minus another 6 pence again. Okay, now this is another 1 time of 6. Okay, so 2 minus 6. Okay, 2 cannot minus 6 because 2 is smaller than 6. So we have to borrow from 1. So 1 become 0. And then give 10 to 2. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now 12 minus 6 is 6 and then put down 0. Okay, still there is 6 pence left. So subtract another 6. Okay, so another 1 times 6. So now 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so 6. So you can write down another 0, or if you want to leave it just like that, it's okay. So class, this is what we call repeated subtraction because we minus 6, repeat minus 6. Okay, so in this division, so we minus 6 3 times. Okay, we plus, we minus it with 6 until the balance of the pen is 0. Then we stop. subtracting. So it shows that 18 is divided by 6 equals 3. Okay, this is the number lines that represent for both repeated subtraction and also the division number sentence. Okay, now we are going to relate division with multiplication, okay, by using the same example, 18 pence. Okay, now look at the whole picture here. Okay, based on this picture, we know this is division. So look at the number lines and the number sentence. Okay, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Okay, 18 is the number of pens, 6 is the number of object or the number of pens in each group, and 3 is the number of groups. Okay, there is another way to write the number sentence of division for this 18 pens. Okay, it is like this, so we can write like this: 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Okay, 3 represents the number of groups, and 6, the answer of 6 represents the number of pens in each group. Teacher hope you remember that the number of groups or the number of objects in each group, you can put it in the middle here, okay, here. And then if the number of groups is in the middle, so the answer should be the number of objects in each group. But if the number of objects is in the middle, okay, like this, sorry, like this, the first one, so the number of groups is in the answer, okay. Next, okay, now look at the next picture, the same picture of pencils, but now the pencils are in 3 groups, in which each group has 6 pencils. So altogether there are 18 pens. So I hope, teacher hope you still remember this is actually multiplication. Okay, look at the number line and the number sentence of multiplication. Okay, what is times 6 equals 18? So 6, okay, is the number of objects in each group, and the first number, okay, should be the number of groups. Okay, how many groups here? Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we write 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. Now we are going to relate it with division. So if 18 divided by 3, okay, 18 divided by 3 is, okay, refer to this one. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And then what is times 3 equals 18? Okay. Okay, based on this number sentence of division, so what is times 3 equals 18? Okay, look at the answer here. It is 6, so the answer for the multiplication here is also 6. So 6 times 3 equals 18. Okay, teacher hope you can understand the relation between division and multiplication. Okay, now look here. Okay, we relate it again. Okay, 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. Okay, you also can write like this: 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Okay, how to relate it with multiplication. So 3 times 6 equals 18, or 6 times 3 equals 18. Okay, pupils, that's all from teacher. Okay, for your homework today, do exercise in activity book, page 73 and 74. And if you don't know how to do the exercise, please watch again this video. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum.